Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing some more cleaning of coins. Now this video definitely isn't for the faint-hearted. I'm going to title this video how not to clean your silver coins. And that is because this is not something you should try at home. It is something that I'm doing for an experiment, and I do think that long term this is going to really damage my silver coins. Now this is the American Silver Eagle that I cleaned the other day on video. This side was how it started. You can see it's got some really nice blues and all different colours really. It's got some blues, it's got some coppery colours, it's got some darker brown at the top here. And I only actually dipped this halfway in, and that is why it's got this half and half effect. And the same on the back, you can see it there. And what I've been using is this silver dip cleaner. Now I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I literally just went on to eBay, searched for silver cleaner and brought the first one that came up. So that is what we're going to be using again in today's video, but we're not going to be dipping it in for a minute or so. I think I only dipped this one in for like 30 seconds to get that result. So really effective cleaner, but we're actually going to be cleaning some coins for a whole entire year. Now I've collected 4 different coins from my stack to do this experiment with, to see which one holds up the best and see if any of them show any different results. But we've got an American Silver Eagle here. This is a Type 1 2011. We've got a Type 2 Libertad. This one is very toned and tarnished already. This has been sitting in my backdrop for probably around a year now, so it's really lost its shine already. Got a Britannia, still quite shiny, but it's a 2021 Queen's Head. And then we've got a Canadian Maple. Again, this has been sitting in my backdrop. It was sitting over on this stand over here in the corner, but you can see very toned and very tarnished. So they're going to be the 4 coins that we're going to be doing the experiment on. And like I said, it will be very interesting to see how different types of bullion coins compare when they're left in this solution for a whole year. Now I've actually gone and ordered some containers for this experiment, so let's just quickly unbox those. Hopefully they're going to be the perfect size for what we need. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I've got a couple more in there, so I can do some experiments in the future. But you can see we've got 4 containers here. Let me double check to see how well I measured these out. And yep, look at that, they all fit in there perfectly. Now what is really good about these containers is they have like a raised middle bit there at the bottom, so that the coin won't be sitting completely flush with the base of the container. So the solution will be able to get the whole way around the coin. So that is perfect for what I need it for. And they all fit in very nicely. Now if the American Silver Eagle fits in, I know that all the others are going to fit in nice and snug. So there we go. So that is our 4 coins. And all we're going to be doing is we're going to be tipping this solution in. Give it a bit of a shake first until it completely covers the surface of the coin. Now let me just show you an experiment to show you how well this cleaner works. Let me pick the one that's the most tarnished, which is this one here. And let me just show you, for those of you that haven't seen my previous videos using this solution, let me just show you how well it cleans. Let me just turn the light in, and I'm going to show you using my tweezers. I'm just going to dip this in halfway, hoping I don't drop it in there. Wow, I dipped it a lot more than half. It's hard to see because it's bubbled up in there where I shook it around. But you can see where I am holding the top of the coin with the tweezers. Look at that difference. You can literally see the line of how well it has cleaned the silver. So this solution is extremely effective, and that is why, like I said at the beginning of today's video, do not try this experiment at home, because this could seriously damage your silver coins. So let me do the stupid experiments and stupid things on my channel. That way you don't have to do them on your own coins, and I can damage mine. But like I said in my previous video, when I came up with the idea to do this experiment, this is going to go one of two ways. It's either going to completely ruin my coins, or I'm going to have extremely shiny coins at the end of the year. Let me know in the comment section what way you think this is going to go. Do you think this is a bad idea? Do you think it's a genius idea? Or have you already clicked off the video? But let's get straight into it. I'm hoping these they're quite thick plastic containers. I'm hoping they're not actually going to dissolve as the year goes on. But that's all part of the experiment. So let's start with the first one. There we go, that's completely submerged. The Britannia now, completely submerged. The Libertad, completely submerged. And last but not least, the American Silver Eagle. Now I'm just going to top that one up a little bit more. There we go. Right, so all of these 4 silver bullion coins are now completely submerged in this silver dip cleaner. Now on the back here it does say do not leave coins in this solution longer than 5 minutes, but no longer than 5 minutes. So the instructions clearly say do not leave your silver coins in this solution for longer than 5 minutes, but we're going to go for an entire year. Now we're going to seal these up now. Already you can see how shiny these coins are. Look at the tip of the coin as I tilt it down, how shiny it is already. Same with the Libertad. So already these have only been sitting here for say 10 seconds and they're already basically completely spotless of any tarnish or dirt or anything. But we're going to seal them up. Right, there we go. So now they are completely sealed. I'm just going to use this to wipe them down a little bit to make sure we've not got any of the solution on the outside of the container. And then that means we can also remove this out the way as well. Now I've already prepared a container for them to go in, and the reason I'm putting them in this container as well is in case they do start to dissolve through this container. I don't want this solution getting everywhere, so I've decided to put them in another container as well, just for double protection. And if I start seeing liquid make its way into here, then I know that we're probably going to have to either stop the experiment early or work out a new way of storing these coins. But here we go. Hopefully they're all going to fit in here. If they don't, I have got another container. If they do, it'll be amazing. No, they're not all going to fit in there, so we'll just do 2 in this container here. I've actually put the date on the top of that one already, 20th of March 2025. And there we go. And I'm just going to quickly print another label for my second container here, and we'll put the remaining 2 in there with a lid, and then we'll pop this label on them, and then they're both labelled up with the date that we first started this experiment. And then in 1 year's time, on the 20th of March 2026, we'll have a look to see what's happened to these coins. So that is today's video done. Let me know in the comment section what you think they're going to look like after a year. And also let me know in the comment section which one out of these 4 coins is going to hold up better. What one do you think is going to actually look the best condition wise after a whole year of being submerged in the silver dip? So as always, thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope you have a very nice day.